Sinahi magazine for the blind.
So today we'll continue with nouns. Okay, we saw yesterday types of nouns, how we categorize nouns in English into or based upon three common criteria. Okay, and we said that nouns in English are categorized into proper nouns versus common nouns. Who tell me the second type or the second criterion of categorizing nouns in English?
I can. Countable versus uncountable nouns or non-countable nouns.
Good.
Okay.
The third one? Yes, Shiri. Concrete?
Concrete versus abstract nouns.
Good. And we have the last one. Okay. Compound versus collective nouns.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Shiri.
Welcome.
Today we'll see how singular nouns make the plural. Do you know what do we mean by singular nouns and plural nouns?
Yes.
Yes, Susie? Or
جمع
Hivi?
مفرد وجمع.
Can you explain in English? That's correct. But can you can give me examples if you can't explain.
Same book, for example, is singular.
Book.
Singular. Yes.
Good.
Books is plural.
Plural. Thank you.
Yes.
Good. Excellent. Thank you, Susie.
Thank you.
Yeah. So singular just means one thing, one person, or one place. Okay? It refers to just one. However, plural, it's more than one. Okay? 2, 3, 1,000, or 100 things, but not one. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Now, for most nouns in English, for most plural nouns, we add an S, okay, to the singular noun to make it in the plural form. For example, book, one book. Okay, this is the singular form of book. In the plural, we say books. We add an S in the end, okay? We add an S. Pencil, one pencil or a pencil, two pencils. We add an S. Apple, one apple, an apple. We don't say apple, we say an apple, A-N. I'll explain that in a bit. And 4 apples, 5 apples. We add S. This is the standard with most plural nouns in English. However, there are some exceptions. There are some rules for some nouns. So let's see the first rule, okay? I mean the second, because we saw the first one. We said we add the letter S, an S, to the end of the word, the noun in the singular form to make it plural. Like we saw pencil, pencils, spoon, spoons, okay? Now, with nouns ending in CH, SH, X, double S, and Z, we add an ES. To form the plural of these nouns, we add an ES, not only an S, but ES. Like box, B-O-X, it ends in an X, so we add EX, boxes. Quiz, it ends in a Z, okay, Q-U-I-Z, we add es, the plural of this noun, okay? We say quizzes, quizzes. Watch, okay? Watches. This word ends in ch. We add es, watches. Dish, it ends in sh. Again, we add es, dishes. One dish, 4 dishes. And notice here the pronunciation is, okay? Here's a pronunciation tip, okay? Nouns in the plural have 3 ways of pronunciation. They have 3 different sounds, okay? We have the sounds z and is, and it depends on the letter that precedes, that comes before the s of the plural. I'll give you examples to make things a bit easy to understand. Take the word cat, C-A-T, cat. In the plural, we say cats. We add an S to it, okay, to make it plural, and we pronounce it cats. We make this sound, cats. Book, books. Again, you hear this sound, beliefs, groups. Spoon, we add an S to make it plural, and we pronounce it spoons, spoons. You hear the sound z, not s, like in books and cats. Bag, B-A-G, bag, 5 bags, many bags. You hear the sound z again, okay? And boxes, 1 box, and 3 boxes. It ends in an X. When we add es to make it plural, we pronounce it boxes, is, dishes. I'll give you the rule to help you pronounce these nouns correctly. With nouns that end in T, K, F, and P. I mean, when the letters T, K, F, and P come before the S of plural, we pronounce or when we pronounce these nouns, we make the sound, or we get the sound S, like cats, books, C-A-T. Notice that in the word cat, we have a T before S, and in the word book, we have a K before the letter S, and we get the sound S in both words, books, books, okay, and cats. With the rest, okay, B-D, okay, L, I mean words or nouns that end with a D, G, you hear the sound Z. And is, okay, we get the sound is with plural nouns. With the nouns that end with a CH, SH, CH like watches, SH watches, is, you notice, X like foxes, okay, Z like quizzes, and double S like glasses, okay. So when you have double S before the ES of the plural, CH, SH, X, and Z, you get the sound is. Again, the sounds with T, K, F, and P. The sound is with CH, SH, X, double S, and Z. With the rest, with the other letters, it's Z, like G, bags, okay? B, verbs. D, needs, you notice? So this is the rule. I mean, in terms of pronunciation. Did you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understood.
Now, for nouns ending with F or FE. With nouns that end with F or FE, you know what do? We change the F to a V and we add ES of the plural, okay? So, I'll give you examples. Wife, it ends in FE. Here we change the F to a V and add ES to wives. Knife, the same, two knives, you notice. Leaf, Leaf, leaves, VES. But we have exceptions. Belief, roof, and safe, they don't change the F to a V, okay? The F, retain F, and we just add an S. So beliefs doesn't become believes, beliefs. Safe doesn't become saves, it stays. Okay, and the F retains. We keep the F and add the S. Safes, beliefs, okay? Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
It's clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Good. Nouns ending with O, we add ES to nouns ending with O. Like potato, it ends in O, okay? We add ES to make it in the plural. Potatoes, volcano, it ends with an O, becomes volcanoes. Hero, heroes, okay? After the O, we put ES. Again, here we have exceptions. The words piano and photo, we just add an S. We don't add ES, just an S to make the plural form of these two nouns. You have to memorize all these. Clear? Any questions?
Yes, it's clear.
Clear.
Yes, it's clear.
We have now nouns ending with Y. So if the letter that precedes Y is a consonant, you change the Y to I and add ES. Lady, we have lady, the word lady. It ends in D, okay, consonant, and then Y. Here, if you have the letter, okay, before Y is a consonant, if the letter before, which is before Y is a consonant, like in this example, lady, D is a consonant, you change the Y to I and add ES. However, if it is a vowel, I mean the letter that comes before Y is a vowel, like boy, O, then Y, O is a vowel, we add S. Okay, we don't change Y to I. No, we just put S in the end. Monkey, the same, because monkey, it ends with K-E-Y, and E is a vowel, so we retain the Y and add an S. Monkeys. Is this rule clear?
It's very clear.
Yes.
Yes.
So in English, there are a few nouns that have the same singular and plural forms, okay? They don't change their form when they are in the plural. Examples, sheep, okay? It's the same in the singular and the plural. No matter how many sheep you are talking about. It is sheep, singular, and sheep, plural. 1 sheep, 7 sheep. You don't add an S. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer in the singular and deer in the plural. It doesn't change. Species, the singular, and species, the plural. Series, the singular, and series, the plural. These nouns don't change, okay? They are the same in the singular and plural forms. Advice, okay? You don't say advices. No, it is advice in the singular and plural forms. Information, information. Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
And some nouns are always in the plural, sorry. They don't have a singular form, okay? Some nouns are always in the plural. They don't have a singular form. They are in the plural, even though you are talking, you are in a singular context. They are always in the plural, like scissors and trousers. These 2 words, in addition to others, of course, are always in the plural. And the last rule concerns irregular nouns. These are nouns that change their form in the plural completely. They are totally different, okay? They change totally in the plural form. I'll give you examples. Child, okay, the singular, child. We don't say in the plural childs. No, this word or this noun changes completely in the plural. We say children. Man, 1 man, M-A-N. 2 man, M-E-N. You see how these nouns are changing? Goose, 1 goose, G-O-O, okay, S-E. 2 geese, G-E-E-S-E. We call these irregular nouns. Woman, W-O-M-A-N, in the plural becomes women, W-O-M-E-N. Okay, even the pronunciation changes. We say woman in the singular form, pronounce it like this, woman, 1 woman, a woman, but in the plural we say women, W-O-M-E-N. Is this okay?
Yes,
It's
okay.
okay, teacher.
Yes.
Mouse becomes mice.
Aha, perfect. Nice job, Shireen.
Thanks.
So let me go back to something. I mentioned that
Sinahi
with
magazine
singular
for
nouns,
the blind.
we either use a or an, the article, the indefinite article a or an. Let me explain this in more detail. Okay, we say a book, that means 1 book. And we say books, we don't say a books. In the plural, we drop the article, we replace it by an S. But we say an apple. We don't say an apple, an apple. And this depends on the first letter of the noun. If it is a consonant, we say or we use a book, a dog, a pencil. If it is a vowel, we use an. It is the same. It is the indefinite article, okay? A or an, that shows that we are talking, that indicates the singular form, okay? That indicates the singular form. But they are used depending on the letter, the first letter of the noun. If it is a consonant, we have a book, a dog, a duck, a fork, a spoon, a chair, But if it is a vowel like apple, apple starts with the letter A, and A is a vowel. We say an apple, A-N, space, apple, an apple. Orange, the same. It starts with a vowel, O. We then say orange. I have orange. No, we say I have an orange. And in the plural, okay, if I put orange and apple in the plural form, I say apples, oranges. I drop an and the article. I don't say an apples and oranges. Now, the article disappears when the noun is in the plural form. Do you have any questions?
I don't have any question.
I don't have any question.
Okay, so today we did nouns, how to change nouns from the singular to the plural form, okay? And we saw a bunch of rules. We said with most nouns we add S, like cats, cats, spoon, spoons, table, tables. With nouns that end in one of these, I mean CH, SH, X, Z, or double S, we add ES to them, okay, to make their plural form. Nouns that end with O, we add to them ES, like potato, potatoes, ES. And we have exceptions, like we saw, piano and photo. We don't add ES. We just add S without the letter E to make, of course, the plural form of these nouns. And with nouns ending with Y, it depends on the letter that precedes the letter Y. If it is a consonant, we change Y to I and add ES. And if it is a vowel, we keep the Y and just add an S. We also said that some nouns in English stay the same, have the same form in the singular and the plural. They don't change. And we saw the words sheep, then say sheeps. It's the same in the plural and the singular. Advice. On the other hand, some nouns have only the plural form, like trousers and scissors. Of course, in addition to other nouns. And last thing we talked about is irregular nouns. These are nouns that change completely. We don't add an S to them or ES, but they change, okay? They change their form, like child in the singular. It becomes in the plural, children. Mouse, like Shireen said, becomes mice. Goose, geese. Okay? If you don't have any questions, let's move on to our exercise.
I don't have any question.
I don't have any questions.
I don't have any questions.
Okay, good. So you are asked to choose the right form, okay, for each noun in the following sentences, in the sentences I'll give you, okay? I have 3 child or children. Which one is correct? I have
Children.
Children.
okay, children. Good, Alan. So there are 5 men or men and 1 woman or women. Here you have two nouns in each.
5 men,
Men, women.
men, woman. 1 woman.
Good, Susie. Woman, it's 1. Women is the plural, W-O-M-E-N. And how do we spell man? Susie?
M-A-N.
Men.
Men,
5
M-E-N.
men. Good.
5 men,
M-E-N. 5
M-E-N.
men. Okay. M-E-N is the plural. We change the A,
Yes.
man, M-A-N, to an E. Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Baby or babies, which one is correct, play with bottles as toys. Okay. Is it baby or babies? Baby.
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 Babies.
Babies.
Baby is babies. Babies.
Babies play. And we have the verb in the plural form. It helps us find the right answer. Thank you, Burhan. I put 2 big potatoes in the lunchbox. Just a second.
Potatoes.
No, just a second, Susie, because here it's a little bit different, this one, okay? Quite different. I put 2 potatoes in the lunch bag. Potatoes, number 1 is spelled P-O-T-A-T-O-S, and number 2, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Which one is correct?
E-S.
Can I answer?
Perfect. She answered.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, this one is for you, Shirin.
Jilan.
Jilan, okay. I always mix your voice with Shirin's. I don't know why. A few men, okay, wear watches or watch.
Watches.
Okay, it's a few. Good. I put a memos on the desk. Let me pick up Sumaya.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
I put a memos on the desk. Which one is?
Memo.
Why? Memo?
Because
we have a, good, perfect. A memo. We have this A, which means 1. I put 1 memo on the desk.
Sinahi magazine for the blind.